Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm a diary memory maker. Now today we are going to be doing another journal making video as a part of my 100 mini portrait challenge. So let's have a look at the oil painting that I created for this particular journal and get started on our creation process. I'm so excited to have you guys here. Let's head to the craft table. Alrighty, so here is our box board, our skeleton for our journal, and then here is my 100 mini portrait challenge cover image. So this lady's name is Bentley. I think she is so pretty and so cool. So she's going to be our cover. Let's now get face to face and pick out our fabrics. Okay, so now that we are face to face, let's go through our boxes of fabric and pick out what we're going to be using for this journal. Okay, so the fabrics that I chose for this one is this here, which I really like. I think it goes well with her cover image. I think that looks really, really pretty. And then for the interior, we have this fabric, which is kind of like a hint to that like border that we've got there. So this is going to be the interior of our journal. Let's get gluing. Starting with this one first. We want to lather our glue now all over our box board. Okay, now our fabric can be laid down. Oh, we got ripples straight off the bat. That's not a good thing. I don't want ripples. I want it to be smooth. Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. Why make my life hard? Alright, well, that's pretty much one. Oh, no, there's a ripple there. Oh. We want to get our trusty bone folder now. Really get into that crevice. Make sure it's smoothing it out. Oh, come on. I don't want bubbles. I want it to be silky smooth like a baby's bottom. Okay, so now that that is done, come on. There we go. Ugh. Let's now turn her over and we're going to glue our edges. Okay, so now that is done, we can come and add some more glue and stick in our interior. Alright, now we can lay this guy down. Now this particular fabric actually has a ripply texture. It's not going to be smooth. It's so nice. I really love it, to be honest with you. It's absolutely stunning. So let's press that down nice and good and we will trim off the excess in a moment. Let's glue down our cover image. Okay, now we can stick this girly girl in. I'm thinking around about, let's see, we want to make sure it's straight. Thinking around about there is where we want our oil painting to go. Yep, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit and then we're gonna have a look at our laces and see how we can make this even more beautiful. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking in terms of decorations. Oh, I got a diamante on my hands. So I've got this, which I would like to use as my tassel. We've got this pink here that I want to go around the base of her and then probably the top bit as well. And then there's this beautiful white doily. I love that so much. And then I thought this flower. Oh, it's looking so freaking pretty. Okay, so first we need to do our trim. Okay, so there's my beautiful trim. Now I want to stick this flower down in the corner here. We now have our flower. I love that so much. Now this is going to be the tricky part, is going to be this doily. So I want it to be like that. Yeah. Okay, so oh, I'm thinking maybe I should glue that in after my signatures are in. Yes. I'm gonna do that bit last, I think. Let's sew in our signatures. Okay, so for our signatures we have a nice pink cover. We have acrylic and coffee stained papers as well as blank papers in here. Lots and lots of pinks and then rainbow colors. I love these so much. Okay, so let's now sew in our signatures together. I have pre-sewn in the last 3. We're going to do the last one together. Just going to thread my needle now. I chose this blue, light blue. I thought that would look really, really nice. Even though you're not going to see it with that doily covering it, I still thought it was a nice color that really complements it. So we're just going through that center hole as well as our cover. I don't know why, but I really love this journal. I just think it looks so, so pretty. I can't wait to start filling it with a whole bunch of stuff. Can we get in there? Yep. Down to the bottom hole, poke that through. Oh my goodness. We're getting close, you guys. Alright, through that center again, and then through our center hole. What an easy signature to sew that was. Oh my gosh, that never happens for me. Okay, we want a tension, double knot. Oops, I'm losing my strings. Okay, 1, 2, and then we want to double knot the bunny ears as well. Dun, 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 dun. And we're just going to trim the one tail, the other one's alright in length. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have a book. It's official. Oh, these pages are so pretty. Oh, so, so gorgeous. Okie dokie. So now, now we can stick on our doily. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared for this part. I want to get that glue nice and on there. Now, grabbing our doily, we need to see just exactly where it's going to go to. Pull that a little bit more over the edge, like that. Oh my gosh. So that means I'm going to need some more gloopy glue here. Some more gloopy glue down here as well. Just to make sure that sticks down. And then some under here as well. Press that down again. Oh, this looks so cool. You guys, I am in love. Like, look at how beautiful that is. I really love this journal. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit and then we're gonna decorate the interior and fill it with a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, and now it's time for our wax seal. Dun, 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 dun. Ready and squish. Oh, okay, let's have a look-see. Why does this not want to come off? Oh, that's a really nice wax seal. I love that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so here are all the things that I want to stick into my journal. I'm just going to walk you guys through it quickly because unfortunately I'm going to be doing this off camera just to save a bit of time. And not only that, I'm running out of storage on every device that I have, including all my hard drives. So I need to get another one. But yeah, this is everything that is going to go in. Every one of them comes with a little bookmark. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick those in and we'll be right back. Okay, so we've got a fair bit of stuff in here. Just all over the place in random spots. Lovely, lovely. Just all tucked around the place. Beautiful. I love, love, love that. Okay, let's tie it off. Nice and tight. Bunny ears. Pull, 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 pull. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this beautiful journal. I am obsessed. Let's now say our goodbyes. You guys, I absolutely love this journal. I think it is so beautiful. Look at the back, the doily and this like colored, almost like pleated, it's very preppy kind of fabric. I really love how it looks. Like, it's just so complimentary. I'm just obsessed. This was a really fun project. I hope you guys have enjoyed the creation process, and if you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a good like for me. It definitely helps, especially allowing other people to come across my channel as well. If you want to purchase this journal, there is a link in the description. All of my journals are one of a kind, so it's first and best dressed, okay? So if you are in love, don't miss the opportunity, okay? Another thing is, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay up to date with all my regular uploads. Until next time, guys, mwah, I love you, bye! This is Bentley, and she's so pretty. Oh, I love it.